Hello, welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions, English 2018. Question number 2. In each of the questions 1 to 3, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. The word is shuttle. Then you have options: chart, option number A, chart, B, church, C, champagne, D, chemical. So we have shuttle, which is actually an apartment building. Then we have chart, we have church, we have champagne, we have chemical. So if you take a listen at the sound, you're going to find out that the first one is sha. Tall. This is an apartment building. That's the meaning. So you can see this is sh, the sh sound. But this one is chi, as in chart. So this is chart sound. It can have R here. Then this one is church. Also the chill sound, just like the up one. Church. Can have R here. Church. But this is also champagne, just like the first one. Shh. Champagne. Whereas this is chemical, as in K, but it's CH. Chemical. So you can see that this champagne, chateau. This is chi, 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 K. So you can see that this champagne here, champagne, chateau, they are having similar because of this and this. This one is T before the sh, T before the sh, so it's different, but these and these are the same. So that makes option C the right answer for this. So these are the oral transcriptions of these words. So with that, we can easily identify the consonant sound that are similar, and that makes option C the answer. Thank you.